In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a button in ActiveCampaign. We'll walk through the full process together, from opening your campaign to changing the button's link, text, and style, and then applying those changes across your entire email if you want a consistent look. To start, head into the campaign section in the left-hand menu of your ActiveCampaign account. From there, you can either open your existing email campaign to edit it, or go into your campaign templates if you want to update a reusable design. Once your email is open in the editor, look at the main canvas in the middle of the screen. This is where your email content lives. Find the specific button you want to edit and click directly on that button element on the canvas. As soon as you do, you'll see the options for that button appear in the right-hand sidebar. First, let's update where the button sends people. In the right sidebar, make sure you're in the content section. Look for the link field. This is where you paste the URL you want your subscribers to go to when they click the button. Paste in your desired link and double-check that it's correct and includes the full address, including the HTTPS part if needed. Testing this link later with a test email is always a good idea. Next, change what the button actually says. Click directly on the button text on the canvas itself. The text will become editable and you can type in your new call to action. Keep it short, clear, and action-oriented, like download now, book a call, or shop the sale, depending on your goal. Now let's adjust the design. In the right sidebar, switch over to the Style tab. Here you can customize the background color of the button, its border, and the corner radius, which controls how rounded the corners appear. Small tweaks here can make the button stand out more and better match your brand colors and overall email design. If you want all the buttons in this email to share the same style, go to the Global Settings area in the sidebar, then find the Buttons section. Any changes you make here will apply to every button in this specific email, helping you keep a consistent look without editing each one individually. Once you're happy with the link, text, and styling, move forward by clicking Next, Review Everything, and then click Finish to save and finalize your email.